Hello, I am Egle, and I just recently decided to start making English vlogs. And I'm very excited, and I don't know what to expect, and I try not to expect anything. And my first vlog today will be about really not ordinary, maybe option of spending your free time. So I will go to a forest camp for 2 nights, just me and my dog. So I will be completely alone with no humans around. And I wanted to do it a long time ago, but only now the time has come. So I will take you together to this trip and we will see how it goes. So finally I'm in the car. I had a really long preparation. I had to go like 3 times back and forth the stairs because I packed so many things, because I can, so why not? And here we are with my doggy Bella. She really doesn't like driving in a car, so she's a little bit stressful because she's old. She's already 12 years old. So finally, let's hit the road. Finally I'm here! So excited, oh my god! And it's such a beautiful day because we had an ordinary cold August this summer. It was really strange. It was like almost like autumn. It was rainy and cold, and now, like our usual September, we have like a heat back, so it's very nice, but I guess it's not for long because it's like for a week or two. It happens every year. And now the most exciting moment is going in. And I need to enter the code. Okay, so see you in a few seconds. So the big moment has come. Finally I opened the door. And it's so tiny. But so cozy. Well, for me it's nice that it's like a little bit up from the ground, but Bella doesn't like it because it means that she needs to climb these little stairs all the time. Oh my god, I can't believe it. The time just for myself. To do anything or even nothing. When you go to such a place, to a nature where no one's around, you don't feel any energies, any ongoing things that maybe others are doing. For example, I often feel if I go to a busier city, to a bigger city, I feel that the energy there is busier and that people are more stressed there. And when you come to a place where nothing is happening in the moment, just the wind is blowing and the trees are moving, some bugs are singing, and sometimes some dogs are barking, then it's a really good chance to really feel the guidance inside you. What you want to do every moment. Do you want to move? Do you want to rest for a while? Do you want to read a book? Do you want to call someone? I know and I feel that this trip is really good for me. This short vacation just by myself and with my heart, with my dog, with nature, and with my intuition. So yeah, and now I feel a little bit tired, so maybe I will take a short relaxing meditation / a little nap. And after that we will see what I will do. But yeah, the mind is used to be very busy, so it's a really good training for him, for it. Just come back to the moment, just to be present, not to think about anything. And as I've heard in the song this morning, trust in the unknown. Hi again. So I meditated a little bit, did some Wim Hof breathing, and now time to go outside as well. So maybe I will take a little walk, and I watch my mind, and it's really hard, I don't know, just to relax and not to think about what I should do, what like useful things I should do. Yeah. It can sound really strange, but the biggest learnings and biggest trainings happen to me when I stay calm, when I just don't do nothing much, because that's the time when my brain goes crazy. And that's the real useful thing for it. To learn just be, not always do. I don't know where it came from, but I don't know, maybe from my childhood or whatever, that I have this feeling that I always need to do something useful. I don't know how about you, but sometimes it's good, but sometimes it's too much. Sometimes I feel that it's not real, that it's from some kind of anxiety, that maybe I'm short in time, that maybe this life is not like eternal, although my soul is eternal, but I don't know. Yeah. So let's continue our exploration. My neighbors. I hope that they don't mind if I pass them, because I want to have a nice walk. Okay. We're friendly. O tai čia neišeina biškį toliau praeiti? O tai kur galima čia nueiti? As I thought it was a private yard. And we were met by some dogs, but they were friendly as I expected, and the people were friendly. They told me where I can go, so I will try to go and not to get lost. And I don't know if you have heard about the program of Workaway, where you can go abroad and just live in foreigners' houses, and you can exchange the roof above your head and maybe some food into few hours of work a day. For example, you need to help them to work in a farm, or to clean their homes, or to babysit their children. And it's a wonderful way to travel, and I've known it for some time now, but I haven't tried it, and maybe we will try it, so you would see more interesting adventures. What gifts God is giving me. So much plenitude, so much abundance. Just need to see it, to stop for a while and appreciate it. This morning I read in a book that when you meet a silence, you meet something what you are made from. And that's why it touches the deepest parts of our heart. And reminds us what's truly important and what's not important in this life. What's temporary and what is eternal. And we're coming back to our little temporary home. It's so nice. It's almost 7 in the evening, but the sun is still high. If you want to know, my name is Lithuanian, and if you want to know what it means, here is exactly what it means. Ta-da! I don't know how it's like in English. Is it fur, or you prefer Christmas tree? But yep, that's me! Where are you flying, dragonfly? Done? Almost. So actually just not that long time ago, I really started to realizing my dreams. And what seemed so far away from me and so unreal now is happening. For example, this vlog. You know, from my childhood I had this like an old magnetophone, I don't know how it's in English, like a sound recorder where you could put those old cassettes with tape in them, and yeah, so you could basically just record your voice. And that was my favorite game. I don't know why I loved it so much, but I could spend like every day there just recording fairy tales, singing songs, just telling the news, what I did today, what I did not do today. I told various stories, and I even communicated like with some kind of audience. All my recordings started with like, hello guys, my friends, I missed you so much. I don't know, maybe that's just my destiny to be a blogger. And I stopped doing that, of course, because I grew. I wasn't a child anymore, and it was just strange just to continue talking with myself, because there was no already this like YouTube age. There was nothing like that. So I stopped for a really long time. I just continued recording songs, but not to that old machine, but to my phone, to my computer. And then my dream came true, so I got a professional microphone, and so I could record covers. And now my next step for music is to record something of my own. I still don't know what, but I really know that music is on my life path, so yeah. And that's not only that, I always had a ton of ideas, like how to decorate a room, how to paint something. I had like so many visualizations, but everything was just a hobby. But yeah, I don't know why suddenly my fears became smaller than my wish and than my desire, because one day I just thought that I have to start doing it, and to do it now. And even that I was scared and not sure of how it goes and what the hell am I doing after all. Will someone care about it? Will someone watch my videos? Will someone care about my art crafts? But I still knew that I need to do it, that I would have done it anyway, because when I was a child I did it, and no one paid me money, no one said that it's nice or not nice. I just did it because I loved it. And now I feel that I need to connect again with that passion for life, with that passion for your hobbies, for your talents. Yeah, I even feel it now. It's so exciting when you start following your heart without knowing where it goes, where it leads, and what will happen next. So that's with who we will be sleeping together tonight. Well, okay, just don't start your music at the night, or don't hop on my face when I sleep. Uh-oh, why are you turning around? Good morning, lovely people. Well, at least the morning is good, because the night was horrible. there was like something always walking inside the wall, something scratching, moving, going up and down. I don't know what that was, but that wasn't very nice. And I'm not used to live with Bella in one room because she really moves a lot. She licks her feet at the night. She scratches something or she stands up and goes to drink. So for me, it was like always some noise. So I barely slept, really. I slept maybe 1 hour. So yeah, that's my morning.
Oh my love, you're such a fragile thing, I know. And with the winter comes the ice, the snow, but I'm here to hold. And oh my love, don't worry about
I will do nothing today. I will do absolutely nothing today. That's what makes my mind calm and quiet.
Feel the summer sun as it warms our bed.
You know what, guys? I'm not staying here for another night, and I was thinking a lot if I should stay here or not. And at first, I thought that I would be like a failure, if I didn't complete my challenge. But now I feel that I don't want to spend the another night with those mice or rats in the wall. But there was really something walking around. So yeah, this trip wasn't completely as I expected, but still I think that it was really good and I learned a lot. I saw that I can be totally in peace just by myself, which is only that sometimes is a big challenge for others. Because my one friend, she asked like, what are you going to do there all by yourself? Didn't your friend want to go with you or someone? And I said that no, I wanted to be alone and I didn't invite anyone on purpose. I think that more important is just to follow my inner feeling, and now it wants to go home, and I feel that Bella also wants to go home. And I think that that's even the bigger success, not to just do everything by a plan, but to accept the changes and to accept as how it goes right now. So thanks for being here with me in this trip, and see you in other videos, in other vlogs. I hope that I will create them in English and that my language will improve video by video. So nice to meet you also, well. So bye.